Today is February 18th, and at 8:45 we are heading off on the InterIslander ferry to the South Island. So let's get on a ferry. Kinda sad leaving Wellington. We've been here for 3 days. Welcome everybody to the South Island, New Zealand. Looks like we're just about to Picton. Let's see what the South Island's all about. So we're being attacked, as you can see. Ew, I'm gonna get sick now. No, stop back. We're here at Pelorus Bridge, about an hour and a half-ish from Picton, and it's time to go kayaking. I don't know if it's at the beginning, at the end, or somewhere in the middle, is where the dwarves got out of the barrels and were met by Bard, the desolation of Smaug. Kind of a shorter scene, but it's one of the many filming locations that we get to experience thanks to our wonderful tour director, Julie James, here on Red Carpet Tours. You ready? You ready?
So ready.
I'm gonna kick some serious butt. Is it the same? Pure talent right there. The coolest in the world. Okay, in the boat. Alright, this is where the dwarves came out of the river. Right here. And the dwarves. There's the river. Heading down towards Lake Town.
Hello, friends.
Hello, Croquet.
Oh, hello, hello.
And take a quick little swim. 3, 2, 1. There you go. That's pretty good. I've been wanting to backflip for a while.
Yeah. There you go.
Alright, just finished kayaking.
Yeah.
We were dwarves in a barrel. It's pretty rad.
And he keeps calling me Jessica.
I know. But if it makes you feel better, I do call Jessica Danielle. just south of Rivendell, where they spy the spies from Dunland, and they're gonna take a helicopter there. So I'm gonna pass you to my friend Danielle here. She's gonna take you on a helicopter ride.
Jessica, are you signing your life away right now?
Certainly am. Your turn.
Should we put April or Jacob? Tuba. And here's the takeoff field, the helicopter. Ooh. Everyone, we all just had to get weighed.
And Jessica cried.
And Jessica did cry. It was very depressing. But you know what? We had our stuff with us. So we're just going to take that into account. Hey, hi, everyone.
Hi.
I don't know what I'm doing. It's my first time with this.
Great.
You ready, Jess?
Yes, let's do it.
The two people on the way.
Hi. Should we come up with a name for a helicopter?
Yeah.
But here.
Go out here? Yeah, I like it.
Jessica, how awesome is this?
That was so fun. We get to do
So
it again.
cool. I really want to lie and say this isn't super cool, but I would be lying. I'm sorry.
Whoa! What? How cool is this?
Time of your life right now.
It's amazing!
Are you having a great time, Jess?
I'm having so much fun. I'm crying. No, it's really
Louise?
just like, it's my allergies.
This is so cool.
I can't
Like,
wait.
amazing. We're at Tuba. All these cool different rocks. This is so worth it though.